see that Karan does like Chum a lot with this card, we can say. But unfortunately, this card, despite showing that he does like her a lot, or we can say to an extent, felt a lot of love for her, at the same time, this card shows that that love was coming from a place that I love you, but I don't love you from a place that I would want to be with you for forever. Because this card next to it shows that he did convey his feelings for Chum, like I like you or I love you, Chum. But at the same time, this card shows that later on he started to not say the same things, like his words changed, because initially I do see that he was in love with her, liked her a lot, but with these cards show that his feelings towards her were not consistent, to an extent that he, with this card, let's say, started to say that yes, I do love you, but currently, let's say, I want to do other things, or I'm just busy, or there's something else. Because this is the kind of card that, despite conveying his love, his actions did not match that, because later on he started to make a lot of excuses. It could be regarding anything, especially this card, the way that it has come. This card does show that Karan is coming from a place that I really want to be very famous. I really want to be powerful. I really want to have a lot of money. I really want to become more in life. So, yes, I do love you, but somehow I love myself more. Or, like, I love the fame that I want, or the money that I want much more. And because of this card shows that currently their relationship or bond is stopped or at a pause, or they aren't as much in love, or this isn't really going well, especially because Karan is coming from a place that I am not really ready to have the kind of relationship that has responsibilities. I can have you, because this card also shows that he's coming from a place that I love you, Chum. I would want to be with you, but I am not wanting to be too serious. Like, I am coming from a place that we can have a great casual relationship, but please do not expect me